Attention! A tornado can emerge even when there's no storm or rain. Most of the time they appear in summer when the ground is heated, but there are many exceptions. Tornado formation is sudden and quick. It might take only a few minutes before it starts to wreak chaos upon everything in its path. Welcome to the virtual reality class for extreme survival. If a tornado found you at home and you have no time to escape, make sure to lock all windows, doors, and attic spaces. Stick tape crosswise over each window glass to prevent the debris from scattering. Make sure to turn off the gas and electricity and put out the fire in your stove. Prepare flashlights and candles, as well as water and food supplies for at least 3 days. Don't forget to take a working radio. Also, make sure to grab the first aid kit. If you live in a tornado-prone area, it's better to keep a strategic supply of those items in your shelter at all times. The region inside of a tornado is characterized by low temperatures and oxygen levels, making it difficult to breathe. There aren't any detailed visual observations of this inner region because these storms are too intense to shoot inside. Tornado formation is quite simple. Hot air streams from the ground collide with a descending stream of cold air brought by thunderclouds. Warm air can't go higher up, and cold air can't flow down. The force of their collision gradually produces a vertical column of spinning air that starts to suck debris from the ground like a giant drain. A tornado can be up to 2 miles in diameter, and the speed of the funnel itself is somewhere between 25 to 40 miles per hour. A tornado can last from a few minutes to an hour or more, but usually they exist for up to 10 minutes and then dissipate. Don't leave your shelter right after the wind weakens. The twister may reappear in a few minutes. Phew, the tornado is gone now. You can leave the shelter. And the lesson is over. Hey, congratulations!
Well, well, what a wonderful day. Whoa! Did you see that? That was so epic! Wow! Wait a sec. I don't like this smoke. All right, buddy, no time to think. Steal this car and let's try to survive. Hey, Eva, get into the car. Hurry up, babe. Fasten your seatbelt.
Have you ever seen anything like this?
Not really. Look, the water's very close.
We need to get out of here. Now!
I'm doing my best.
Look out!
Ugh. Hey!
Ow.
Are you okay? I didn't break a single bone.
You need to see this.
Oh no, not ready to give up yet.
We need to get to a safe space.
Hold on, I have a plan B. Oh no, plan B is canceled. This is it.
Look out!
Hold on. We'll get out of here, I promise. Let's just try to run away from the waves.
We need to get out of here.
Don't worry, let's just find something to break the glass. Check the drawer. All right, let's give it a try. Not so fast.
Yeah.
What's wrong? Is it stuck?
I guess so.
I have an idea. Give me your headrest. Watch out, I'm gonna hit the window.
doesn't sound so good. I hope you can swim. There are over 500 species of sharks, but only around 12 of those species have been known to attack humans. Statistically, the chances of a shark attack are low. You're more likely to be struck by lightning than become fish food. But just in case it does happen, there are a few things to remember. Sharks are opportunistic predators. They prey on wounded or defenseless animals. They are attracted to movement, so try not to panic or draw attention to yourself by splashing. That's better. You should try and get towards the shore quietly and quickly. Remember, you can't outswim a shark, so you might need to fight it off. There are signs that indicate that a shark is about to attack. These include circling, sharp turns, and the lowering of the dorsal fin. That attack looks imminent, so it's time to take action. Never play dead. The shark will think you're an easy meal. Always face towards the shark. You'll want to see what it's doing. You may have heard that punching a shark on the nose will stop it. It might work as a last resort, but it'll probably make a shark angrier. Instead, try putting something between you and the shark. That's a good idea. I hope you're feeling brave. Remember, this is just a simulation. Try aiming for the eyes or gills. Hitting these sensitive spots may startle the shark. You did it. Now let's get out of the water. Keep going. You're almost there. Congratulations. You survived a shark attack. This training session is over.
What a wonderful day. Oh no, not again.
Welcome to the virtual reality survival class. A huge meteorite is about to fall into the sea and cause an epic tsunami.
Come on, let's go.
You gotta leave the shore as soon as possible and find a shelter which is at least 30 to 40 meters above the sea level.
Hit the road. There's a mountain nearby.
Evacuation by car is risky because you can get stuck in traffic.
Oh, you're such a pessimist.
If you drive a car, you should slow down smoothly and move through an open area away from high buildings and bridges.
There are too many cars. We're stuck here.
Tsunami waves have the capacity to wash you away together with the car.
Oh no, look! The wave is here! Move! Oh no! Ah! Hurry up!
But you still have a chance to swim away.
Whoa! Can't believe we did it!
Congratulations, you're saved. Thankfully, it's just a simulation and no one got hurt.
Come on, let's get out of here. No! No! It can't be! It's a tsunami! Whoa! Hold on tight! We need to go faster! Whoa! It's catching us! We have to get to the land! Look out! It's too late! Brace yourself! This is going to be a bumpy ride! Keep going! We're back in the city? Whoa! Oh no! Okay, we need to get off this boat. Whoa, that was crazy! Be careful, it's slippery. Go on that roof. Ah! Oh, you saved me. I thought I was a goner. We can move along that fence. Go! There's no time to waste! Oh no! We need to get onto that building. We're almost there. Get to the top of the tower. Look, there's a helicopter. That's our ticket out of here. We're safe at last. I can't believe it.
Today, we'll explore the sizes of tsunamis, from the smallest to the most giant, and talk about the damage they can cause. This wave is 3 feet long. It's not considered dangerous, and it's too weak to destroy a city. The next wave is still ranked as moderate. You may notice that the wind is blowing the trees and the flags. And this is a big storm. The maximum wave height is around 40 feet. The wind speed may reach up to 28 miles per second. Such a storm can rip off roofs and damage small coastal buildings significantly. And this wave is 86 feet high. A surfer from Germany managed to ride it in 2020 and set a new world record. This is a reconstruction of the powerful tsunami that occurred in 2011 in the Japanese region of Tohoku. The waves were up to 131 feet high. Such waves are capable of wiping entire villages off the face of the earth. In 1946, wave heights during the April Fool's Day tsunami reached 164 feet. Such a tsunami can bring serious damage to high-rise buildings. In 1792, during the Unzen mega tsunami, the waves reached 427 feet. In 1980, St. Helens mega tsunami brought waves as high as 656 feet. And this wave is almost twice as high as the Eiffel Tower. It's 1,700 feet tall. It was registered in 1946 during the Lituya Bay mega tsunami. Phew, thank goodness it's just a simulation and no one got hurt.